Hello, good morning to all of you. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Very good. Sir, tomorrow onwards we start our class sharp at 8 o'clock. Okay? Today there is, I think we have slowed down. Okay. I think admissions are not completed yet. Actually, people can join me by 8 o'clock, means I can start the class forthwith. You are allowed to join beforehand. Okay. So maybe it is difficult to start to get up at 8 o'clock for you, sir. Hello?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
8 o'clock is difficult, man. What is this, man?
No, sir. Actually,
See,
you posted message at 6:50, sir. So no one will be awake at that time. So probably no one saw that message.
I totally understood. What I do is today onwards I post the message by evening itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or I make it recurring message. Okay. The problem is we have to finalize the timetable for all other sections. So today morning only we could do it. Now these classes will continue. These classes will continue with no break. Now we enjoyed all Ramjan. We had every festival, and now it is time for us to study. And notice this is 40 means you are preparing for advance, right?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, for the advance, we develop a strategy today. And for mains, we mainly focus on just NCERT. For advance, what we do is we try to read in between the lines. In advance, the program will go slightly with a pace. So that is a slight difference between these two. And I hope we will enjoy doing it. Today, our objective is to look at the, very good, 6 members have joined. Today, our objective is to look at what is the topic, total topic in some 15 minutes. What is the overall idea of the topic? Then we divide each unit in detail. Let us see the strategy. Yes. Not this book. We don't want this book now. The trending topic is alkyl and aryl halides. Are you able to hear me, or is there any breakage in my voice? Hello?
Clear, sir. Clear voice.
I wish that. And sir, the topic under study is alkyl and aryl halides. In this topic, let us see the total scope of the topic. Entire topic is in half page. See, 2 people are waiting. I will disable the waiting room so that there will be no confusion. What I do is I just disable them. Otherwise, every time we have to go back and admit them. That is nuisance. So now, no time waste. Now we are looking at the scope. What is the topic under study? Total topic. Yes, sir. Alkyl and aryl halides may be classified as mono-di-polyhalogen compounds, depending on whether they contain 1, 2, or more halogen atoms in their structure. The meaning of this is, you take a hydrocarbon like methane, you remove one hydrogen and put a halogen. How many type of mono-halomethanes you can have, sir? Hello? How many mono-halomethanes you can have? Answer is 4. You can have methyl chloride, methyl bromide, methyl iodide, methyl fluoride. monohalomethanes are 4. Now, if I introduce 2 halogen atoms, how many dihalomethanes are possible?
8.
How many are possible, sir?
8.
Is it really 8? You have to work out. Notice that similarly, if you take propane, butane, pentane, there is a possibility for you to replace one or more hydrogens with halogen atoms or different kinds. For example, if you take a decalene and remove all the hydrogens and put fluorines, it is called perfluorodecalene. Perfluorodecalene is used as a blood substituent. Therefore, there are so many organic compounds which contain one or more than one halogen atoms in the place of hydrogens. These compounds where hydrogen of a alkane is replaced by halogen or alkyl halides, where hydrogen of benzene or naphthalene is replaced by halogen, they are called aryl halides. Therefore, we are studying about alkyl and aryl halides in this unit. Notice that if you look at hydrocarbon, there is only carbon and hydrogen. Hydrogen is less electronegative than carbon. But in alkyl halide, halogen is more electronegative than carbon. Whether it is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, the halogen atom is more electronegative than carbon. Therefore, the CX bond is having some charge separation. The carbon gets a little plus charge, plus delta. The X halogen gets little minus charge, minus delta, because electron pair is somewhat close to halogen. So the bond becomes polar. This partial charge separation makes alkyl halides highly reactive. Question: why alkyl halides are more reactive than alkanes? Answer: alkyl halides are more reactive than alkanes because the CX bond is polar. So the alkyl halides, how to prepare? We have seen that they can be prepared from alkanes, from alkenes, from alcohols, even from carboxylic acids. There are different strategies and different names. You know, methane can be converted to methyl chloride. What type of reaction it is, sir? Methane can be converted to methyl chloride, CH4. Let me go back to my board once. Sir, this is methane. You are reacting with chlorine in presence of light. You got methyl chloride and HCl. What type of reaction it is, sir? Hello? Hello? I want somebody to speak, sir. Otherwise, I don't know whether we are you are following me or not. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what type of reaction it is?
Substitution.
One of the hydrogen is replaced by Cl. It is called free radical substitution. Sir, why are you saying free radical? Because there is light. The other type of reaction, you take this compound called, say, propene, you add with the HBr, the double bond breaks. Reaction where the double bond pi bond breaks, and wherein you are getting, in place of that pi bond, two new bonds. One bond is linking Br to second carbon. Another bond is linking hydrogen to first carbon. This type of reaction where a pi bond breaks and two sigma bonds are formed, two groups are added, is called what type of reaction, sir? Hello, what type of reaction is where alkene became alkyl halide due to addition of HBr? It is called addition reaction. If you take an alkene like this, directly add bromine, can you guess what is the product? The pi bond breaks. The two atoms which are linked by pi bond earlier, they get linked with two BRs. What type of reaction it is, sir? Hello?
Addition.
This addition reaction is called halogenation or bromination. Previous addition is called hydrohalogenation. Sir, quickly see what type of addition it is, sir. If I am adding simply water, here H and OH are added. What type of reaction it is, sir? This addition is simply hydration. You are adding water. Can you see this? So one can prepare alkyl halides using addition reactions. Now you can also, there are hydrogens on benzene. You can remove any hydrogen and replace it with a halogen using a suitable catalyst. What type of reaction it is? In this reaction, hydrogen of benzene is replaced by Cl. Can you see it clearly? What type of reaction, sir, it is?
Chlorination.
Whenever you are removing somebody and putting somebody in its place, it is definitely substitution. But in this substitution, whomsoever goes out of benzene will get out as plus. Whomsoever comes onto benzene will come as plus. Whomsoever goes to Allah goes like a beggar. Oh Allah, give me this, give me that, give me a beautiful wife, give me one seat in medical college, give me a top seat in IIT. Everybody, whomsoever goes, yes or no? The chief minister goes and prays Allah, oh Allah, make me Prime Minister of India. The Prime Minister goes and prays Allah, oh Allah, make me Prime Minister forever. Whomsoever goes to Allah goes like a beggar with a demand. I don't know. So like that, whomsoever goes to benzene will go like a plus fellow. Whomsoever comes out of benzene will come like a plus fellow. This type of plus fellow, anything that has plus charge, is called a electrophile. So the reactions of benzene where hydrogen is replaced by halogen are called electrophilic
Substitution reaction.
In fact, because benzene is aromatic, it is called aromatic electrophilic substitution. Therefore, we can prepare aryl halides using aromatic electrophilic substitution. These are the methods to prepare alkyl halides. Sometimes we can convert the carboxylic acids also into alkyl halides. This is a special reaction and it has a name too. You will convert the acetic acid into silver salt of acetic acid. Then you will react it with the bromine. You will be getting methyl bromide, silver bromide, and carbon dioxide. In this strange reaction, If this has n number of carbons, the alkyl bromide producer has n minus 1 number of carbons. Notice that this type of reaction has a name, Huns-Dicker reaction. Huns-Dicker reaction. So there are some special reactions. If you have, say, ethyl chloride, if you react it with, say, silver fluoride, Cl is replaced by fluorine. This type of reaction where existing halogen of alkyl halide replaced by a different halogen is called exchange reaction. Do you know what is the name of this exchange reaction, sir? The exchange reaction where any other halogen of alkyl halide replaced by F with the help of AgF, cobalt fluoride, SpF5, etc. is what reaction, sir? It has a name, Swart reaction. What is that reaction, sir? Hello?
Swart reaction.
In IITG 2017, they asked what is Swart reaction. Wow. Therefore, the alkyl iodides, alkyl fluorides are made with the help of exchange reactions. Fluoride is made by Swart reaction. Iodide is made by Finkelstein reaction, where you use potassium iodide. So these are the methods to prepare alkyl aryl halides. First paragraph talks about what are alkyl aryl halides. Second paragraph talks about how to prepare alkyl aryl halides. You can make alkyl aryl halides from alkanes, alkenes, alcohols, and also from carboxylic acids and by exchange reactions. Third paragraph in the summary, lesson summary, we are seeing lesson summary. Every student should learn the lesson summary by tomorrow. The first paragraph is introduction as to how to make what are alkyl halides. The second paragraph is about how to prepare alkyl aryl halides. Third paragraph says, if you compare alkane with alkyl aryl halides have higher boiling points. Why alkyl halide has higher boiling point than alkane? In alkyl halide, CX bond has some charge separation. It has a positive end and a negative end. It is having two ends. Two means di. Two poles, positive pole, negative pole, dipole. Between the dipoles called alkyl halides, there are attractions called dipole-dipole attractions. The attraction between a boy of 12th class and a girl of 11th class appears to be stronger than the attraction between two boys or two girls. Opposite charges attract more firmly. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Please avoid such attractions, for God's sake. At the moment.
Yes.
Now what happens? These dipole-dipole attractions, van der Waals attractions, increase the boiling points of alkyl aryl halides when compared with alkanes. Next, what are the characteristic reactions of alkyl halides, aryl halides? Well, in alkyl aryl halides, X is always minus. So naturally, if you have a girlfriend, if you happen to meet another girl who is more prettier and beautiful than existing girlfriend, immediately what you will do? You allow the new fellow to replace the old fellow. This type of reaction is called nucleophilic substitution. Characteristic reactions of alkyl allyl halides are nucleophilic substitution. For example, CH3Cl can become CH3OH because Cl minus is replaced by OH minus, provided if we add a reagent that offers OH minus. So one important variety of reactions of alkyl halides are nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reaction is called SN reaction for have a style. In this, we are going to study who will readily undergo nucleophilic substitution, who are not much interested to undergo nucleophilic substitution. Also, we will study how many types of nucleophilic substitutions are there. What is the difference between them? This is first thing. The second category of reactions, in an alkyl halide, the halogen atom and the neighboring carbon's hydrogen atom can get out. When they get out, the reaction is called dehydrohalogenation. When they get out, between these two carbons, you get a double bond. This type of reaction, where a halogen atom and a neighboring carbon's hydrogen are lost, is called dehydrohalogenation or elimination. This is second category reaction. And naturally, if there is a father and mother sitting, the son will go and sit in between. Generally, nobody is allowed to sit between wife and husband. Only the child can have facility. Similarly, between the C and X, C is plus delta, X is minus delta. Sometimes some metals go and sit between them. This compound, which is formed by sitting a metal between the C and X of alkyl halide, is called organometallic compound. For example, CH3Cl plus Mg gives CH3MgCl. CH3MgCl is called alkyl magnesium halide or Grignard reagent. We are going to study about such reactions with metals. Okay, sir. This is how the reactions happen. This is the most important part of the chapter. From this IIT advanced questions are coming. And then finally, there are compounds which have more than one halogen atom. They are called polyhaloderivatives like dichloromethane, chloroform, iodoform, carbon tetrachloride, freons, DDT, etc. They are used industrially and also for cleaning purposes and also to kill pests. But these compounds are supposed to cause a lot of environmental pollution. So their usage is on decline now. So this is the entire topic, sir. About first paragraph, I am going to devote 1 period. About second paragraph, I will be devoting 2 days. About third paragraph, I will devote 10 minutes. About fourth paragraph, we devote 4 days. About the fifth paragraph, we devote 1 day. Total, how many days, sir? Hello? Hello, are you there? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So entire lesson essence is this. This essence we are going to discuss in detail once again. First paragraph, we devote 1 day. Second paragraph, 2 days, 1 plus 2, 3. Third and fourth paragraph, 4 days, 3 plus 4, 7. Last paragraph, 1 day. That is 8 days. So we have already started our journey today. Today is Thursday. Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. By next week, we are going to complete this topic in detail for IIT Advanced. And next week, you have examined this. Now you ask me your doubts. Our talk is over. Come on, sir. What are your ideas? How can we do better service? How can we get full score? Let us discuss, work out that. Come on. The class link I will send you earlier, but everybody should make a note. My class will be at 8 o'clock. That's it. Every day there will be homework to you. Today homework is to by heart this page. Everybody is having this lesson. Do you have this lesson, sir? Hello? Hello? Do you have this lesson with you? Should I share it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You can download, man. Okay. No issue. In which group I should share, sir? Hello. Somebody say from the group, hi.
Sir, from the group, sir.
Once again, SL40 group. Somebody from the group say hi. I will send you this lesson. Or after my class, I will send you, because when
Sir, only
two
admins
applications.
can send message in the group.
Excuse me, what did you say?
Only admins can send the messages in the group, sir.
In the SL40 group, somebody from the group can say hi means to the same I will send. That's what.
Sir, only admins can send message in that group.
Okay, then no problem, sir, no problem.
Send the message in the group you sent in morning submitting link.
Or else
Yes,
send the
sir.
balance, sir.
Okay, I am not able to send because two applications it won't run simultaneously. After the class, I will be sending across to Kazim. Kazim will send it to you. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Your homework is to by heart the summary. Once we know summary, we will be knowing where we are traveling. Also try to do 10.1 and 10.2 if possible. Can you do this 10.1, 10.2? Hello? If you try to do, you will be getting doubts. All the doubts will be discussed tomorrow. Try to do 10.1, 10.2, 10.3. Note down. 10.1, 10.2, 10.3 homework. We have covered this earlier. Your doubts will be addressed tomorrow. Learn this summary today. Still, I think we have 2-3 minutes time. Do we have? How many minutes time? Yeah, time is up almost. Hello? Hello, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Till the last minute, I will be speaking. Don't take me otherwise, because time is very valuable. So when once time is over, it will be cut anyway. Don't worry. Just I want to tell you, sir, if the halogen atom is linked to a carbon that is locked to only one carbon, it is called primary alkyl halide. If the halogen atom is locked to a carbon that is locked to two carbons, then this is called secondary alkyl halide. Okay, sir? If the halogen atom is locked to a carbon that is locked to three different carbons, then this is called tertiary alkyl halide. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Are we very clear about this distinction, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next, if the halogen is locked to a carbon that has a double bond, it is called a vinyl halide. Surprisingly, if the halogen is locked to a carbon that is in turn bound to C double bond, see, this carbon is sp3 hybridized and these two are sp2. This type of alkyl halide, where halogen atom is locked to a sp3 carbon that is locked to C double bond C, is called allyl halide. If the halogen is locked to a carbon that is directly locked to benzene, if the halogen is directly linked to benzene or aromatic system, it is called aryl halide. If the benzene is locked to a sp3 carbon to which halogen is locked, then this is called benzyl halide. So these are the terms: primary, secondary, tertiary, alkyl halide, vinyl halides, allyl halides, benzyl halides, aryl halides. So you have to classify the compounds into these categories. Okay, sir, try to do that as homework. Try to do 10.1, 10.2, 10.3 as your homework. Try to read the summary. The lesson will be sent. God bless. Okay. Yes, sir.
Explain benzyl halides again.
Benzyl halide is something, benzene is linked to a carbon, sp3 carbon. It is simply called toluene. In this hydrogen is replaced by halogen. So benzyl halide means halogen is not directly linked to benzene. It is linked to a carbon that is linked to benzene. And this is called benzyl halide. Here this carbon is sp3 hybridized. This is benzyl halide. Notice this is not benzyl halide. Why? This is not benzyl halide. Why? Because this is not benzene actually. This is not benzene, it is cyclohexane. So these are not benzyl halides. You should see, it should have inside aromatic sextant, then only benzyl halide. Are we very clear on that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So I congratulate you today. We have reviewed the entire topic. I am going to share the book with you again. Your class starts sharply at 8 o'clock tomorrow. Please look up, be prepared, tell your parents your class is at 8 o'clock. Do join at 8 o'clock. Is that fine with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anytime you can stop me, anytime you can ask me any doubt. If you ask me 100 times, I tell you 101 times. Our rule of the game is you have to learn it perfectly. We have to prepare for advance. It is advanced section. Okay, sir? Thank you very much. We are closing meeting.
Okay, sir.
Be seen tomorrow. Sharp at 8 o'clock. God bless you.